Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we have brought to you mock test number 2 on agronomy. So the mock test will be most helpful for all upcoming agri competitive exams. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. Question number 1. The simplest and common method of sugarcane planting is? The correct answer is option C, planting in flat beds. So the simplest and common method of sugarcane planting is planting in flat beds. Question number 2. Largest cropping system in India is? The options are rice wheat, rice maize, maize wheat, maize pearl millet. The correct answer is option A, rice wheat. So the largest cropping system in India is rice wheat. Question number 3. Breakdown of clods, crusts and plant material by the impact of particles moved by wind in saltation is called as? The options are agglutination, advection, agrostology, abrasion. The correct answer is option D, abrasion. So breakdown of clods, crusts and plant material by the impact of particles moved by wind in saltation is called as abrasion. Question number 4. Which of the following crop has the highest cultivated area in the world? The options are rice, wheat, barley, bajra. The correct answer is option B, wheat. So wheat has the highest cultivated area in the world among the following crops. Question number 5. A cropping system in which agricultural crops and pastures are alternated on the same field is dash. The options are sole cropping, intercropping, lay farming, double cropping. The correct answer is option D, double cropping. So a cropping system in which agricultural crops and pastures are alternated on the same field is double cropping. Question number 6. Disadvantages of minimum tillage is or are? The options are lower seed germination, continuous use of herbicides, sowing operations are difficult, all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these, which is lower seed germination, continuous use of herbicides and sowing operations are difficult. These all are the disadvantages of minimum tillage. Question number 7. The growing of agricultural crops along with the forest crop is known as? The options are agri-silviculture, agri-arboriculture, silvipastoral, agri-pastoral. The correct answer is option A, agri-silviculture. So the growing of agricultural crops along with the forest crop is known as agri-silviculture. Question number 8. Smoking by burning wood, etc. safeguards the crops against? The options are thunderstorm, hailstorm, dust storm, frost. The correct answer is option D, frost. Smoking by burning wood, etc. safeguards the crop against frost. Question number 9. Cultivated land depends on monsoon in India is about? The options are 1/3, half, 2/3, 1/4. The correct answer is option C, 2/3. So cultivated land depends on monsoon in India is about 2/3. Question number 10. Bursting and shattering of capsules is a cause of loss in yield in dash. The options are sunflower, sesame, rapeseed, cotton. So the correct answer is option B, sesame. Bursting and shattering of capsules is a cause of loss in yield in sesame. Question number 11. Dormancy of paddy can be broken by? The options are 1% HCl, 0.5% KNO3, H2SO4 and CH3OH. The correct answer is option C, H2SO4. Dormancy of paddy can be broken by sulfuric acid. Question number 12. The crop which is grown as a substitute for the main crop that has failed on account of unfavorable condition is called as. The options are catch crop, break crop, sole crop, mixed crop. The correct answer is option A, catch crop. The crop which is grown as a substitute for the main crop that has failed on account of unfavorable condition is called as catch crop. Question number 13. The seed rate of rice cultivation in broadcasting and drilling method respectively should be. The options are 100 to 60 kg per hectare, 60-100 kg per hectare, 45-100 kg per hectare, or 145 kg per hectare. The correct answer is option A, 160 kg per hectare. The seed rate of rice cultivation in broadcasting and drilling method respectively should be 100 and 60 kg per hectare. Question number 14. First sorghum hybrid CSH1 was released in. The options are 1955, 1963, 1961, 1964. The correct answer is option D, 1964. The first sorghum hybrid CSH1 was released in 1964. Question number 15. The response curve of weed density and yield is in general. The options are linear, non-linear, sigmoid, parabolic. The correct answer is option C, sigmoid. The response curve of weed density and yield is in general sigmoid. The next question is, borax also contain which nutrient other than boron? The options are magnesium, sulfur, calcium, sodium. The correct answer is option D, sodium. Borax also contains sodium. Question number 17. The production technique that combines agriculture and forestry, horticulture or animal husbandry on the same piece of land in order to fully utilize the natural resource is called as. The options are agri-silviculture, agri-arboriculture, silvipastoral or agroforestry. The correct answer is option D, agroforestry. The production technique that combines agriculture and forestry, horticulture or animal husbandry on the same piece of land in order to fully utilize the natural resources is called as agroforestry. Question number 18. Dash sowing can safeguard the crop against temporary flooding due to heavy rains. The options are flat, furrow, ridge or deep. The correct answer is option C, ridge. Ridge sowing can safeguard the crop against temporary flooding due to heavy rains. Question number 19. In forecasting of rainfall, the word isolated rain denotes area receives rainfall less than dash. The options are 15%, 25%, 50% or 75%. The correct answer is option B, 25%. So in forecasting of rainfall, the word isolated rain denotes area receive rainfall less than 25%. Question number 20. The crop which remain moisture sensitive during entire growth period is. The options are potato, tomato, tobacco or brinjal. The correct answer is option C, tobacco. The crop which remain moisture sensitive during entire growth period is tobacco. The next question is, in India, the maximum area of wheat is under the species dash. The options are Triticum aestivum, Triticum durum, Triticum dicoccum, Triticum sphaerococcum. The correct answer is option A, Triticum aestivum. In India, the maximum area of wheat is under the species Triticum aestivum. The next question is, the ratio between water deficit to potential evapotranspiration and expressed in percentage is termed as. The options are aridity index, amereolent, active absorption, active ingredient. The correct answer is option A, aridity index. The ratio between water deficit to potential evapotranspiration and expressed in percentage is termed as aridity index. Question number 23. Select the pair which is not correctly matched. The correct answer is option D, Indian dwarf wheat along with Triticum vulgare. So other three are correctively matched, which is Emmer wheat, also called as Triticum dicoccum, Marconi, which is Triticum durum, and Mexican wheat, which is Triticum aestivum. The match which is not correct is Indian dwarf wheat, Triticum vulgare. Question number 24. Difference between the highest and lowest temperature of the day is called. The options are daily mean temperature, diurnal temperature variation, or temperature lag period. The correct answer is option B, diurnal temperature. So the difference between the highest and the lowest temperature of the day is called diurnal temperature. Question number 25. An example for non-synchronous flowering field crop is dash. The options are groundnut, pigeon pea, soya bean, or rice. The correct answer is option D, rice. So an example for non-synchronous flowering field crop is rice. Question number 26. Punjab and Haryana fall under which agroclimatic zone? The options are Eastern Plateau and Hill, Western Himalayan region, Eastern Himalayan region, or Transgenetic Plain Zone. The correct answer is option D, Transgenetic Plain Zone. Punjab and Haryana fall under Transgenetic Plain Zone. The next question is a term given by Willy and Rao in 1980 which gives simply the ratio of individual LERs of the two component crops but correcting for the proportion in which they are initially sown is known as. The options are competition coefficient, aridity index, competition ratio, or competition index. The correct answer is option C, competition ratio. So a term given by Willy and Rao in 1980 which gives simply the ratio of individual LERs of the two component crops but correcting for the proportion in which they are initially sown is known as competition ratio. Question number 28. The fodder crop lucerne contains about -% crude protein. The options are 6 to 7, 10 to 12, 15 to 20, or 25 to 30. The correct answer is option C, 15 to 20. The fodder crop lucerne contains about 15 to 20% crude protein. The next question is period of validity for long-ranged weather forecast is. The options are less than 3 days, 3 to 10 days, 10 to 30 days, or none of the above. The correct answer is option C, 10 to 30 days. So the period of validity for long-ranged weather forecast is 10 to 30 days. Question number 30. Sugarcane zone producing the highest sugar recovery in India is. The options are central zone, north zone, east zone, coastal zone. The correct answer is option D, coastal zone. So sugarcane zone producing the highest sugar recovery in India is coastal zone. Question number 31. Maximum dry matter accumulation in seed is found at. The options are harvesting maturity, grain filling stage, grain developing stage, or physical maturity. The correct answer is option C, grain developing stage. So maximum dry matter accumulation in seed is found at grain developing stage. Question number 32. Seed rate of sunflower cultivation is dash per kg hectare. The options are 3 to 4, 5 to 8, 8 to 10, or 10 to 12. The correct answer is option C, 8 to 10. So the seed rate of sunflower cultivation is 8 to 10 kg per hectare. The next question is sponging and scalding is a term related with which crop? The options are sugarcane, tea, jute, or tobacco. The correct answer is option D, tobacco. Sponging and scalding is a term related with tobacco. Question number 34. LEISA is related to dash. The options are precision agriculture, sustainable agriculture, natural farming, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, sustainable agriculture. Question number 35. Earthworms, ants belong to which flora? The options are macroflora, microflora, macrofauna, microfauna. The correct answer is option C, macrofauna. Earthworms, ants belong to macrofauna. Question number 36. In groundnut, seed dormancy is a problem in. The options are bunch type, spreading type, both A and B, or Virginia type. The correct answer is option B, spreading type. Question number 37. A term given by Stroud in 1975 which measures the multiplicity of crops or farm products planted in a year is known as. The options are similarity index, gross index, diversity index, or crop area index. The correct answer is option C, diversity index. So a term given by Stroud in 1975 which measures the multiplicity of crops or farm products planted in a year is known as diversity index. Question number 38. Vegetative lag phase, also known as photoperiod sensitive phase, is present only in dash duration varieties of rice and is in between the end of vegetative stage and the start of the panicle initiation stage. Its duration may last 10 to 20 days or even more. The options are short, medium, long, or all of the above. The correct answer is option C, long. So vegetative lag phase, also known as photoperiod sensitive phase, is present only in long duration varieties of rice and is in between the end of vegetative stage and the start of the panicle initiation stage. Its duration may last 10 to 20 days or even more. Question number 39. In sorghum, HCN is synthesized in. The options are roots, seeds, leaves, or all of these. The correct answer is option A, roots. In sorghum, HCN is synthesized in roots. Question number 40. Which food is designated as boneless meat? The options are soybean, tapioca, banana, potato. The correct answer is option A, soybean. So soybean is designated as boneless meat. The next question is stomata regulation is done by. The options are turgidity, flaccidity, both A and B, or none of these. The correct answer is option C, both A and B, which is turgidity and flaccidity. So stomata regulation is done by turgidity and flaccidity. Question number 42. Wind velocity decrease on leeward side by shelter belt. The options are 5 to 10 times, 15 times, 30 times, or none of these. The correct answer is option C, 30 times. So wind velocity decrease on leeward side by shelter belt 30 times. Question number 43. Which crop is known as black gold? The options are jatropha, opium poppy, shilajit, or sun hemp. The correct answer is option B, opium poppy. So opium poppy is known as black gold. Question number 44. Which gas is 20 times more global warming potential than CO2? The options are SO2, NH3, CH4, or N2O. The correct answer is option C, CH4. So CH4 is 20 times more global warming potential than CO2. Question number 45. Which of these amino acids are present in quality protein maize in higher quantities? The correct answer is option D, lysine and tryptophan. So lysine and tryptophan are the amino acids which are present in quality protein maize in higher quantities. Question number 46. The inflorescence of Niger is known as. The options are capitulum, panicle, head, or spike. The correct answer is option A, capitulum. So the inflorescence of Niger is known as capitulum. Question number 47. With too much increase in nitrogen application, sugar contained in sugarcane juice will, the options are increase, remain unchanged, decrease, or none of these. The correct answer is option C, decrease. So with too much increase in nitrogen application, sugar content in sugarcane juice will decrease. Question number 48. Which one of the following pairs of weeds and crops is not correctly matched? The correct answer is option C, typha and sugarcane. Rest others are correctly matched, which is Striga sorghum, Cuscuta lucerne and Orobanche tobacco. The match which is not correct is typha and sugarcane. Question number 49. What is hollard? The options are unavailable water, available water, total water in soil, or none of these. The correct answer is option C, total water in soil, which includes both unavailable and available water. Question number 50. Which weed is an effective biological fence plant? The correct answer is option C, Opuntia species. So, Opuntia species is an effective biological fence plant. That was all. Thank you friends for watching our video. Hope you find it useful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.